Welcome to Encryption for Beginners with OpenSSL course, where you will learn to create RSA keys, encrypt documents, understand SSL certificates, hash functions, etc. We are globaletraining.com and our technical staff will lead you throughout the course. We designed this course for anyone who is interested to learn encryption fundamentals with hands-on demos using OpenSSL. At the end of this course, you will be able to talk confidently about symmetric encryption, asymmetric encryption, create RSA keys, digital signatures, hash functions, and other concepts. We took a two-step approach throughout the course. We will first explain concepts using slides and animations, and then apply the concepts practically using OpenSSL and PuTTY. The ideal student for this course is an existing IT professional or who is wanting to become an IT professional. Computer science students also benefit a lot from this course. There are no major requirements for this course except a desire to learn encryption fundamentals. Feel free to look through the course description and watch preview videos, and we look forward to see you inside the course.